Hey, are you excited about the spring market? Are you wondering what's happening with real estate prices in April of 2024? Welcome to our newer edition, How is the Market in Northwest Suburbs? I will share the most recent statistics to help you with your home buying or home selling journey. Let's get started. We're going to begin with sold prices. Usually this time of the year we see a big jumps in real estate prices. 2024 is not much different. Average sold price increased to $465,000, which is about $11,000 increase from the previous month. We also saw a lot of multiple offer situations and a lot of buyers fighting for available inventory. I would think that next 2-3 months we're going to see the average sold price increase again. So brace yourself for a very competitive market in spring of 2024. Our next very important statistics is average sold prices. Those actually remain stable around $459,000. Those are about $130,000 more than the real estate prices in 4 years ago. Some sellers are eyeing all the multiple offer situations to see what those homes are going to sell for, to use those as comparables for their next list price. So brace yourself for higher price listings coming in April and May. And here's statistics with the biggest jump last month. Sold price to asking price ratio. We saw a lot of listings sell with multiple offer situation. That caused the sold price to asking price ratio to increase by over 2%. That's a huge jump. That number came in at 101.37% last month. It means on an average $460,000 a home, buyers on average are paying about $6,000 more than asking price. This is the biggest increase we saw in the last couple months, and we're probably going to see this number increase again in April and May. Did you know that only about 81 homes sold in our area last month? This is a significant drop. We're about 53% lower than 3 years ago off our peak numbers. In that year, we saw 171 listings close in that same period of the year. So right now, we just don't have enough inventory to satisfy the big demand from prospective buyers, and that's why that sold price number came very, very low last month. We're gonna see what happens in April and May. Were you waiting for more homes to become available in spring of 2024? Here, I have some news for you. Last month, there was 131 new listings enter the market in our area. This is a very low number. We were hoping to see that number much higher. Prior to pandemic, we would see anywhere from 360 to 390 homes being listed in the spring market. We still are dealing with the lock-in effect. Some sellers don't want to give up their low interest rate to move up to bigger, higher priced homes with a higher interest rate. So we're hoping that this number starts increasing in May and June, and we're going to see more available inventory for buyers like you. Are you wondering what's happening with our competitive market in 2024? So months of inventory came in at under 1 month of available properties. Especially the lower price categories are very, very competitive. There's less than half a month of available homes on the market. So if there was 80 closings last month, it means that in some of the low price categories, there could be like only 40 homes on the market right now from prospective buyers to choose from. Again, a great information for the sellers. For buyers, I think this number is going to start increasing. Hopefully later this year, we're going to see this number go above 1. So selecting a new home, it won't be as hard as right now. Are you seeing a lot of competition for available listings? Actually, the number of showings generated came in at 3,500, which is about 700 lower than a year ago and about 1,700 lower than 2 years ago. Again, we're suffering with a very low inventory. There's not a lot of properties available. Buyers, when they see the home that they like, they have to make an offer right away to secure that home before it goes under contract to the next available buyer. Again, we're suffering from low inventory in our market. This is great information for prospective sellers. you're still going to be able to sell your home. If you're a buyer, just check on all the available statistics, make sure you have all your pre-qualifications done, you know where you're looking, you know have your requirements, and be aggressive with your first offer to select and secure the home that you like. I have a very important statistic for the home sellers in the area. The number of showings per listing came in at 16. This is a very high number. It's not as high as it was a year ago or 2 years ago, but we still have a lot of demand from prospective buyers and available properties. So if you're prospective sellers thinking about listing the home, the time to be on the market is right now. Our prediction is that later this year, June, July, August, we're going to see this number dwindle and get down to about 7 to 8 showings per property. So there's no time to wait. Get your property ready, put it on the market, because there's a lot of demand for prospective homes right now. So reach out to me. I'll help you get organized and let's get your home sold this year. I have one more statistic for you, days on the market. That number dropped again and came in at 29 days. A lot of lenders figure out how to process and underwrite their loans quicker. We see a lot of lenders do appraisal waivers and have the processing done in about 7 to 10 days. If you're interested, let me help you out. Connect you to a lender that can get your loan done in under 7 days so you can secure the home of your dreams. Hey, thank you so much for joining me and watching our video today. I'm excited to share all the statistics with how is the market in Arlington Heights in April of 2024. Just remember, all situations are different. Different subdivisions, different neighborhoods have different pricing, different price points have a different flow this year. I would like to sit down with you, share all the available information that I have specific to your situation, and guide you through your next home transition. Talk to you soon.